What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back. Welcome back, everybody. If you're here for the first time, go ahead right now and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, we're going to continue the conversation on how to start a digital business online with affiliate marketing. Okay, I will put the link below for the previous video, okay, so you can go check it out. So let's talk about this. So what we're talking about is starting your own digital business. However, you don't have to create the products. This is simply using affiliate marketing, which means you're using other people's products. Okay, the products have already been created. The website has already been created. The training, everything is done for you. You don't have to go out and create anything. Okay, they give you your affiliate link, your assigned affiliate link. You market that affiliate link. They train you and show you how to do that. So you can use other people's products, okay, digital products, and start your own business. Okay, so we're going to use this platform right here, okay, to do that. They have all the products that we need and the training. Okay, so we're going to go through this, and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to be covering the G1000, okay, the Genesis products. These products range from G100, G250, G500, G1000, and G2000. Okay, so we're in the advanced levels. So today we're speaking on the G1000. All right, these levels include all the educational training from the lower price packages to stunning library of contents. You have all the content you need here. Now, when you, let me move this over. If you purchase the G1000 product, okay, it's going to be $1,000 plus $299 per year. So you would spend out of pocket today pretty much $1,300. Okay, a year from now you would pay $299 again. That's the membership, okay, that you're going to pay every year to be a member so that you can resell these products and make a commission. Okay, and you'll be able to make these $1,000 commissions over and over and over again. All right, so let's just jump right into the G1000. What does it include? Okay, I've logged into my dashboard right here so you can see the products that I've purchased, the 100, the 250, 500, and G1000. All those are unlocked because I'm a G1000 member, which means I can make commissions on all these. That's 4 income streams, okay? So if someone does purchase the G2000, I still will make $1,000, okay? So this is a perfect platform. It's a very fair comp plan as well. All right, so let's check out this G1000. All right, I'm gonna start right here so we can kind of get an overview of everything. Hang on one second. Let me move this over. All right, so the G1000 takes your personal and professional development to a whole new level. You get what they call the legends. This is a series of interviews of 20 of the top marketers on the internet. Many of who have multi-million dollar earners today. So you're going to listen and learn all their secrets of success. Over 20 hours of inspirational learning, timeless information. They also have what's called the Village. The Village includes a 12-part audio series of a modern take on the Master Key system for Charles Hannell. Okay. It also includes in the G1000 video on demand training. G1000 adds video on demand training with 15 courses that you can watch directly from your PC, iPad, or phone. Okay, all you need is a Wi-Fi connection, guys. You can use any smart device, okay, to learn, apply, and earn with the system that's already set up. You don't have to reinvent stuff. You don't have to go and create a product. It's already here for you. Okay, so it states here what topics will be discussed in the video on demand training: company culture, communication management, employee mentoring, and many more. Then they have a back catalog, which includes everything from the G100, 250, and 500. So if you come in and purchase the G1000 product, you will have access to all the lower levels. Okay, that's included. Last but not least, finally, there are courses on artificial intelligence. Okay, you hear that a lot, AI. Okay, which includes Bitcoin, how to break bad habits, social media stories, Facebook Live, and learning Udemy. That's Udemy, not the solo provider you're thinking of. All right, so $1,000, and you get this, and you're able to make $1,000, guys. That's what I love about this thing. And if I didn't mention before, you probably have seen me post, you get paid 4 ways with this. That's why I think it's the #1 way to earn online with a digital business, because you get paid 4 ways. How so? #1, you're going to get paid from direct sales from you. When someone joins directly from your site, your page, that's direct sales. Then you also will get paid on upgrades. When people upgrade, when they go from one level to the next, then you'll also get paid on the pass up. Okay, because everybody has to pass up their qualified sales. So you're getting pass up, that's #3. And then you get roll-ups. Roll-ups are, for an example, say I'm the G1000 member. If someone comes and purchases the G2000, I still will make 1,000, but 1,000 will roll up. So you're getting those commissions as well. 4 ways to get paid with this thing, okay? And it's all done for you, business in a box, okay? And I say that because they have the capture pages, they have the autoresponder. Everything is already here for you. All you got to do once you purchase is you go in and you specify how you want to get paid, which payment processor you want to use, and you can start promoting, okay? Let's go take a look at the dashboard. All right, as you can see, I'm in the dashboard under my Genesis library. This company does not allow you to show commissions in your back office. Okay, so we're not doing that. However, I'm showing you the products. So as you can see, this has been unlocked right here. See, it's unlocked, the key. Okay, so all these products are unlocked, and you see the button here, it says watch video. All you have to do is click this and watch each video, guys. And remember, you're not going to get overwhelmed with all this stuff. You don't want to try to learn everything. Don't try to sit back and wait for weeks before you make a move. That's not what you want to do. First of all, once you get started, I'll be sending you a welcome email. We'll be having a one-on-one conversation so we can get your marketing plan together. We can figure out what your goals are and get your plan into action. Okay, so everything is readily here for you. Instant access, by the way. As soon as you make your purchase, I will mark you paid. You'll get an email from the company with your login information. You'll log in and you will go to your profile and you're going to set up your payment method. Okay, you're going to get that done. But there's a button right here that says getting started. You're going to go there. All right, but I just wanted you to see the products are here. Everything I just read to you, time management, as you can see, everything is right here. Okay, very, very nicely done. All right, now I want to show you the video sales page. That's very captivating, and that's what closes everybody out. A less than 5-minute video. Okay, so take a look at this. I'm just going to play a snippet of it, guys.
And develop prospects and customers for your business or offer. The second is generating cash flow or an additional income stream that helps with everyday expenses. By solving these 2 problems, you have a stress-free way to build your business without the financial burdens that so often have ruined an entrepreneur's success. When you become a member of Exitus, you get access to all the training and resources you could ever need to run a successful business either online or offline. We teach you about cutting-edge tools you can deploy and put to work for you, like SMS bots, Facebook Messenger.
Okay, I just want to give you a snippet. This is the page. that we're sending people to check out the opportunity. Now let me show you some of the capture pages. Everything is already done. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to go out and get an autoresponder. You don't have to get any capture pages. They're already here in your back office. Okay, so if you're looking for an all-in-one system, capture pages, autoresponder, everything under one roof, here it is. Okay, so here's some of the capture pages. Well, here's all of them. Okay, so I'm just kind of thumbing through it so you can see them. Okay, now for everybody that joins at that G500, I will send 5,000 text message blast on your behalf to your capture page. Everybody that comes at the G1000 will get a 10,000 text message blast. Okay, and this is perfect for that. Check this out right here. Let me click this. Okay, got a smartphone. Okay, so this is a nice capture page right here as well. Okay, I'm just thumbing through these. These are some nice capture pages. As I stated, everything is already here. All you gotta do is take action, get started. I look forward to working with you guys. If you're serious, okay, let's do it. It's 2022. Okay, no more procrastination. All right, so as you can see, lots of capture pages. Okay, nice capture pages. So if you want to start a digital business with affiliate marketing, this is the perfect platform. Perfect platform, because everything is already here for you. They also have weekly webinars with the owner himself. Okay, and a Facebook group, an active Facebook group as well, guys. Okay, so if you're ready to get started at that G1000, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info and get started. Look forward to working with you guys and having the one-on-one so we can get you all set up. If you have any questions after you've checked this out, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.